Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another makeup tutorial. I got a few palettes for my birthday a few weeks ago, so I figured I would try some of them out. So today I'm going to play around with the ColourPop She's Got Solstice palette. I got this from one of my friends for my birthday and decided I wanted to try it out. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know how much I love ColourPop and their palette, so I'm really excited to try this one out. As you can see, the colors are super pretty. I would say that they could pass for some everyday colors or looks. The color story is more of like warm tones, like pinks and browns, which I really love. I love a good neutral eye look, so that's what I'm going to try and put together today. So first things first, as always, I prime my eyelids with some concealer, or you can use some eyeshadow primer, totally up to you. I just prefer concealer, plus that's all I have right now. So first things first, I'm going to go in with a base color, which I'm going to use Big Bang, which is this pink color right here. As expected, the shade turned out very, very light, which is okay because I'm just using it as base shade, and I kind of figured that because it even looked light in the pan. So next, for the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use the shade Nova. I really like how that turned out. It's not too dark, but it's just a good, nice, neutral color. I don't want it too dark. I'm kind of going for like a subtle toned down look here, so this is perfect. Next, for the inside of my eye, I'm going to go in with the shade So Serious, which is this one right here. This is more of like a shimmer shade. And then to darken up the outer corners of my eye just a tad bit, I'm going to go in with the shade Chromosphere, which is this one right here. And then to blend over top, I'm going to go in with the shade Earth Angel, which is a little pink hue right here. And then for underneath my waterline, I'm going to go in with this middle shade, which is called Estrela. It's like a shimmery pink shade. So believe it or not, I think the shade Estrela might be my favorite shade in the look so far, but they're all really pretty. That'll do it for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D ink liner for my eyeliner. So I'll go back to eyes in a few moments for mascara, but for now I'm going to use my CoverGirl Outlast Active foundation for my foundation today. I find that this is like very light. It's not a heavy foundation, and it's super hot out today, so I like this a lot for that. So this isn't a full coverage foundation. I would say it's more of like a medium coverage, but like I said, it is a lighter foundation and it's super hot out today, so this works perfectly. Then for concealer, I have my CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, which is this here. I love this. I would compare this to Tarte Shape Tape, which I also have, but I would say it's a little bit, again, lighter, which is great for the hot weather. again, I would compare that concealer to Tarte Shape Tape. It has a really good coverage and it doesn't feel super heavy or sticky for that matter. Next, for some powder, I have my e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder right here, which I'm almost out of. And then for mascara, I have a ton of these little travel size Buxom mascaras, so that is what I'm going to use today. So I'm gonna skip contouring for today just because it's a light look and it's hot out and it's just not in the cards today. But for blush, I'm going to use this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. It's hard to see with the glare, but this is the shade Drop of a Hat. Probably not gonna focus. There it is. It kind of looks orange on here, but it's more of like a deep red. So this is my first time trying this blush, and let me tell you that this may be my new favorite blush. It is so creamy, and even though it looks like a deep red on here, it comes out a very nice tint on your face because it's so creamy. But it's shimmery, it looks very natural. I dig it. So props to you, ColourPop. And then for highlight, I have my Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter in the shade Aura, which is like a pinky hue. I'm almost out of it, as you can see. And lastly, for lips, I have my Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. It's kind of just like a nudie pink color. I like this because it keeps your lips hydrated, it doesn't dry them out, and it's perfect for this kind of weather. So there you have it. Here's the final look. I am really impressed once again with this ColourPop palette, as I always am. The shades that come in these palettes are so creamy, they're pigmented, they go on smooth, the color stories are always great, and the price of the palettes are even better. I got this one as a gift for my birthday, but let me tell you that all their palettes are just so totally affordable that I highly recommend. And if you're going to pick up some ColourPop palette, or if you're going to pick up some ColourPop products, I would definitely recommend getting the ColourPop Super Shock blush as well, because this is so creamy and came out really nicely. I do have a couple more palettes that I got that I want to try out and maybe put together some first impression review tutorial videos, so I will be doing those in the coming weeks, as well as I think I have some packages coming in that I will do some unboxings as well. But if there are any products or palettes or anything else like that out there that you would like to see featured on this channel, please let me know and I'd be more than happy to try and check them out. And if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel, click the little bell next to it to be notified of whenever I post, and make sure you check out my blog at unbreakablebliss.com, where you can see this video and tutorial and tons of other posts and product roundups and all kinds of stuff there, and follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.